FlowForma Copilot is the fastest, most efficient way to replace Nintex forms. Simply upload your form, and with one click, initiate a seamless transformation into a FlowForma form. For this demonstration, we'll be using a sample funding request form to showcase the capabilities of FlowForma Copilot. With FlowForma Copilot, uploading and editing a Nintex form is incredibly simple. Just upload an image of your existing form with a text prompt to get started. Copilot rapidly interprets your prompt and replies with a detailed response and actions. In a matter of seconds, FlowForma Copilot automatically extracts all relevant information from the uploaded Nintex form, identifying the various fields present. FlowForma Copilot will generate suggested enhancements to your form. Simply click on a recommendation to apply immediately to your form. Once your form is complete, simply click Build. Preview your form in Designer mode to check all the required fields are included. With FlowForma Copilot, your entire Nintex form is accurately converted into a FlowForma form in just seconds, saving time and eliminating manual rebuilds.